Alright, Silky Smooth Gang, man.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a top it. This young is so fly, I can cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, I'm gonna drop this in the video somewhere, but I got some rust treatment, and it says you gotta let it sit on 1 to like 16 hours, I think. So yeah, I was just letting y'all know what I got going on. I'm gonna hit this up, let it sit on there. Y'all can see all the grease and everything gone. I'm gonna let it sit on there and see what it does. And like I said, I'll throw this in the video somewhere. Alright, I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Guys, this stuff really works, man. I had to turn y'all back on for a second. I wasn't gonna waste too much time with doing this, but I just want to show y'all how this stuff does. And it say leave it for 12 hours. And watch this. Man, it's dropping that rust off. Look at that. That rust just falling off. Look at that. That's crazy. I just had to show y'all that, man. I got my guy coming in the morning. He gonna bring that turbo tip, pressure wash it real good, and then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and seal it up and get everything painted. So y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, I just jumped straight to work, man. I got off of work and jumped straight on this project. My buddy came by and pressure washed it real good. Got all the rust treatment off and stuff. So now I'm just cleaning it up. Y'all see that right there? So yeah, I wanted to go ahead and pull the body off the frame, but I don't have the right equipment here, so probably just be on hold on that. But this area will be cleaned up, rust, all the surface rust cleaned up and painted, and then if we get a chance to, we might pull the whole body off. I'm not sure yet, so just giving y'all a little update. All right, y'all keep rocking with me. We're making some progress, and like right here, I'm gonna weld up some weld up some sheet metal under the bottom, repair that. But look how everything is coming clean. Oh man, I kind of think I made enough progress for the day. It's kind of hard to get back there, but I'm gonna figure it out. I wish I could have sandblasted it like I wanted to, but it's getting there though. Gotta fill that hole in too. But everything was looking like that, and now looking pretty good. So yep. Alright, as I'm losing track of the days, it's probably like day 3. So we went and got a sandblaster. As I showed y'all earlier, kind of got everything sanded down, most of the surface rust gone, just the tight spots. We're gonna try to hit with this Harbor Freight sandblaster. So y'all gonna see right here firsthand if this thing gonna even work. Let's get it. Whipping out. Okay. Pressure. That's tight. What did it say the max was? 90?
Oh, 40.
40? Whoa.
40 pounds of abrasive material.
Oh my goodness. Well, we weighed over 40 pounds, guys. So, okay.
60 to 125 constant pressure.
Oh, so like if we just going, we can keep it at like 60 to 125. Oh, okay. So it ain't gonna kill us, y'all. Well, shoot, grab it. Oh, you want me to grab
You
it?
got glasses on.
Hey. Well, I just
I
want to see what it's gonna do. Well, it's got a valve on it too, though.
need to put my glasses on.
Hey, let's just try it on this little.
Shoot it at the dirt. Ain't nothing coming out.
Ain't doing nothing.
Oh, we gotta open this valve down here. There we go, y'all.
Yeah, there you go.
Give me a little off for here. We on now.
Open that one up right there. Let's see what. Really? I wonder if they're gonna keep doing that though. You know what I mean? Do we need more air pressure? Oh, turn up the air on the left one. Up. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's probably gonna keep on clouding up.
Turn it on.
I'm all the way on.
All the way up.
Yeah. Epic fail. Alright guys, we're gonna let the air pressure build back up and we'll see what this thing gonna do. Golly, all that stuff is noisy. But as y'all can see, it's coming out good. It's coming out nice, man. We might be ready to paint this thing tomorrow. Let me get around to this other side. Oh, I got all this stuff in the way. Golly. I should have got my windows all the way up. It's working. But I don't know what happened. I had to shut it down. I guess it blew a hole in the side of the valve. I ain't never been no sandblaster. I ain't saying I know how to do this, so this is my first time sandblasting. I usually just use the grinder, grind everything down, and go ahead and put that rust primer on there and paint it. But I wanted to get like all the little small cracks and crevices, make it real clean. So alright, well, I'm gonna see if I can find another valve. If not, I'll probably try to just make it do what it do. We gotta make it through this thing. I want to be ready to paint in the morning, wipe everything down, and just paint the engine bay. Just the engine bay, y'all. We got a lot more videos to come on this vehicle. It's gonna be a lot more. So yeah, appreciate y'all rocking with us, man. Silky Smooth gang, we in the building. See y'all in a minute. Alright guys, gotta stop and give y'all a little update, man. Look at this thing coming together, man. Say, I never said I was an expert, but man, when it comes to these cars, man, I like to try to do everything I can by myself and with the Silky Smooth gang. So my brother here with me, he helping me out. He ran to the car to do something. But yeah, I mean, we try to do everything we can by ourselves. Now, if we run into an issue, I mean, hey, sometimes you gotta take something to the shop. You know, you got to. That whole piece right there, I'm gonna have to weld up. It's all rusted out. That holds your radiator right there. Other than that, well, I showed y'all that yesterday. I gotta weld them two holes up. But yeah, we'll be done up under here. Hopefully I'll be ready for paint in the morning. And we'll go ahead and get this thing painted up, and I'll show y'all the primer finished product, and then I'll show y'all the painted product. And then I'll record when we get ready to throw the motor in here. I don't know if I'm gonna put the motor in the trans on at the same time. We'll just find out. We'll do all that when we get there to that part. Man, I sure appreciate y'all. I appreciate the support, man. It's been a big help. Appreciate you guys rocking with the Silky Smooth gang, man. Love all of y'all, man. We're going up all 2021.